Hello there again, welcome back. Today we're making a delicious easy fried chicken. So that let's get started. First we marinate the chicken. It's a chicken drumstick. Put it in there. I wash my hands, so first you put oregano. Just sprinkle. If you want a very spicy one, you can put chili paste or chili flakes. But pepper, sprinkle of pepper, garlic granules. That's a bit. Tarragon or dry one. All sprinkle. Parsley. You can either do like about 8 drumstick and then marinate it. And I forgot my salt, so sprinkle of salt. Let's get taste in it. Right. First you have to marinate them. You either marinate them before and you can put it in the fridge for later use. Right. That's enough marinating. I wash my hands. Alright, this is what you do. Dip the egg, dip the chicken, the drumstick in the egg, and then dip it in a plain white flour. It's a plain one. You either you just estimate how much you will use, and then dip back to the egg, and then dip back to the white plain flour. Or you can use raisin flour if you haven't got plain flour. Right, do it then by batches. Right, like that. Leave the skin on. Alright, back to the egg again. And back to the flour. And we can fry them, deep fry them. Right. Right. Make sure your oil is very hot. I put my big pan before, frying pan, and put the oil and deep fry them. Yeah, that's it. Make sure it's nice and golden brown and the chicken is cooked. It's cooked well. Alright, that's it. Do the same thing again. It's very easy to make, so. Right. The other one. You can put 4 or 3 in a pan. Over 2 eggs. You can use 3 eggs. 3 or 2 eggs. Depends how much chicken drumsticks you use. Right, need to again wash my hands. Right, turn them, but they're not quite ready, so just turn them one by one and have a check. Make sure they're really inside. Make sure it's really cooked, well cooked. Right, still not ready. Takes about like you just estimate how much, how many minutes you have to put it, and make sure it's really nice and golden brown. Now my fried chicken is ready. It's ready to serve. Put them in the thing like that for now. To drain the paper towel so the oil will drip. They look nice, golden brown. There you go. Just leave it for now. Turn up your fire. And you can put whatever sauce you like. Prepared sauce you like. Tomato sauce or barbecue sauce, it's up to you. Alright? If you like this dish, please subscribe, share, likes, and thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.